Nairobi County, Kenya's most critical devolved unit, is at the brink of collapse if the 2014-2015 financial year audit report is anything to go by. The report indicates that the county had a 1.5 billion shilling deficit with another 1.2 billion shillings in negative financial assets in the financial year under review, an indictment to the county's financial management systems.
If 20 billion shillings disappeared out of an expenditure of 23 billion or a budget of 23 billion, then we wouldn't have been able to run.
The report further says that the Evans Kidero-led government does not follow basic accounting processes and cannot, for instance, tell how much money it collects or banks. Neither could the county provide at the time of the audit record its fixed assets nor account for property it owns as an indication as to why some of the schools under its care have been invaded by land grabbers. According to the Auditor General, the problem in Nairobi lies with weak control systems in revenue collection and accountability. For instance, the report says the county is yet to fully embrace IFMIS. And as a further example of how haphazard spending is, the county government was called out for reallocating over 1 billion shillings without due process as stipulated in Section 154 of the Public Finance Management Act. But perhaps more shocking is the fact that projects that cost the country hundreds of millions of shillings didn't offer value. Case in point, the 437 million shilling integrated urban surveillance system for the Nairobi metropolis that saw closed-circuit cameras installed in the city remaining non-functional.
It was never a project of the county government. It was done even before we came to City Hall. It was done by Nairobi Metropolitan Ministry. And the traffic lights are actually working and the CCTVs are working.
In other cases, the county failed to account for systems that were meant to ensure better revenue collection, such as the off-street parking, which netted 23.6 million shillings, less than the projected 36 million shillings, even though parking lots were filled to capacity. The system further registered frequent breakdowns in an indication of back-end manipulation. In other queries, the auditor also claims that the governor's office could not provide evidence to show that bursaries for needy children totaling to more than 200 million shillings had been used correctly. The audit report also revealed various delayed projects by the county government, resulting in cost escalations to the taxpayer. The county also failed to achieve the 30% budget allocation for development expenditure, leaving various infrastructure projects and public transport facilities abandoned by developers due to non-payment by the county. And Kiguta, Monday Special.